So do you remember this? So a little over a year ago I made a video about some end grain coasters, and if you haven't seen that I'll put a link up in the cards and down in the video description. And when I made those sets of coasters I had quite a bit of stock left over which I was holding on to for future needs, and that future is now. Recently, Kevin over on the krtwood channel put out the call to organize a Secret Santa exchange. He wanted to foster some woodworking community online and he hit on this idea. I thought it would be fun and I signed up. I was thinking about this coaster blank at the time, so I knew right away what I wanted to make. So yeah, I kind of cheated a bit, as I could pretty much skip over the design and building step of a project and get right to the finishing up part. Now I live in Canada, so I expected to have to ship internationally, which was a good reason to make for a pretty small and compact project. And sure enough, it turned out that my recipient was located in the USA. But it just so happened that I was planning a short trip to the US to attend ThinkerCon in Alabama, which was a blast, by the way, quite literally. And I realized that I had an opportunity here to save a few pennies on shipping. So I put in a bit of extra effort to get the project finished quicker than intended and took it with me when we crossed the border. And since it's a flat rate price, I slipped a little something extra into the envelope, but that's a surprise for the recipient. We then found a US post office and sent it off in one of their flat rate envelopes. So I want to thank Kevin for organizing this. Quite ironically, one of the themes down at ThinkerCon was about trying to do something positive on the internet. So good job, Kevin. And that about wraps up this one. As always, thanks for watching. If you'd like to know more details about how to make these kind of coasters, why don't you check out my original video, and of course don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.